Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 559 named maximum depth of an array tree. In this problem, we are given an array tree and we have to find its maximum depth. Now, the maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the furthest leaf node. Here, for the first example, the tree has root 1, which is 3 children, which is 3, 2, and 4. For the root 3, it has 2 children, which is 5 and 6. Now, the path 1, 3, 6 or 1, 3, 5 is the maximum length. So here, this path have 3 nodes. So here we have to output 3. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to solve this problem, we will use the depth first search technique and in-order traversal. So here, for the DFS, the recursive call starts from the root node. Now, from the root node, we can call the DFS function into one of its child node. So here, in the in-order traversal, we will always traverse its left subtree. After completion of the left subtree traversal, we will iterate into the right subtree. So here, from the root 1, the DFS call will be go into the root 3. Now, from this root 3, the call will go to the root 5, but node 5 is a leaf node. Both of its children is null. So the null children will return 0. Now again, the call will be here and it will again return 0. And 5 will return 1 plus maximum of 0 and 0, which will be 1. Now again, from this 3, the call into this 6 and this 6 will also return 1. Now this node 3 will return 1 plus maximum of its both of the left and the right subtree return value, which will be 1 plus maximum of 1 and 1, which will be 2. So this will return 2. Now from this 1, the recursive call will be in this 2 and it will return the value 1. Now again, the call is here and it will return 1. So here, for this node 1, its one subtree is returning 2, one subtree is returning 1, and another subtree is returning 1. So it will return 1 plus maximum of all of them, which will be 1 plus 2. That means 3. So we can say that the maximum depth of an array tree here is 3. And this is how the DFS function and the in-order traversal works. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named maxDepth, which has a root as a parameter. Now, in the recursive DFS call, if root is null, we have to return 0. Otherwise, we have to initialize a variable maxDepth with 0. And for using a loop, we have to recursively call the DFS function into all of its children. So here, the maximum depth will be the maximum of maximum depth and recursively call the function. Finally, we have to return the 1 plus maximum depth. And this is how we're going to solve this problem. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.